Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another $1 lip product, and this here is from the brand AOA Studio, which is one of my favorite makeup brands. It's the ShopMissA.com private label brand, and the products from AOA Studio are just so good and so affordable. So this Glazed High Shine Lip Gloss cost $1 along with most of the AOA Studio products. And I love trying out $1 lip products because in my experience, you can find $1 lip products that are just as good as the high-end expensive lip products. So I'm at the point where I really don't think you have to spend a lot of money on a lip product for it to be good. So I'm really excited to see if this one's going to be an example of that. So I got this in the shade Pink Balloon. I feel like this is going to be pretty clear, but anything with a little pink to it draws me in when there's a few choices of shades. Of course, I'm going to choose the pink. And this is cruelty-free, vegan. It's free from silicones, formaldehydes, alcohol, phthalates, mineral oil, and parabens. And it's supposed to be a nourishing, high shine gloss, which I am definitely always looking for. My lips are so chapped and dry, so nourishing and high shine is exactly what I want right now. And so it's got a classic doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, this actually has no smell to it. I was expecting something, but no, I mean, that's fine. I do love when my lip products have a fun scent, but it's not necessary. But let's see how it is on these dry lips now. Also, completely clear. It's nice, but I don't feel like it's super high shine. I'm gonna try adding a bit more, see if I can get more glossiness. It's a little glossy, but not as shiny as I was expecting. I have a lot of dry texture to my lips right now, so I'm like trying to rub my lips together, massage this in and see if it's going to actually really moisturize my lips, because it does like coat them and makes them look more hydrated, but I don't think it's as deeply moisturizing as I typically like. So yeah, I'm not wowed by this because, I mean, it doesn't have the nice scent, it's not super shiny, and it's not as moisturizing as my dry lips need. Like, it's okay. It does a little something, but I do feel like even AOA Studio makes better lip products than this one here. So I just feel pretty meh about this. It's not bad, but it's not great. I feel like I would still choose this to purchase over an expensive lip gloss because it does kind of give the lip gloss effect enough. And if you don't have super dry lips, then this would be fine as far as the moisture goes. But you know, that's the thing. When I've tried out so many products, I just have higher standards and much more to compare to. So I would say this is not a product that you need. But if you do have this, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.